Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by stripping the Beyblade to its main parts: layer, disc, driver. Use a small screwdriver and keep screws in one place so nothing gets lost. Once done, clean the glossy areas with 70% isopropyl and a microfiber cloth so stickers adhere better. Make sure to work on a flat, well-lit surface and line up your sticker sheet, tweezers, hobby knife, and ruler so you can place decals precisely without smudging. You now transfer the decals. Test fit each sticker on the layer without removing backing to confirm exact placement and orientation. Once satisfied, peel the sticker with tweezers and lay it down from the center outward to push air out and prevent bubbles. Use a ruler or plastic card as a straight edge for crisp alignment, and warm the sticker slightly with your breath or a hairdryer on low for curved sections. So you finish by trimming any overhang with a sharp hobby knife, being careful not to score the layer. Once trimmed, press edges firmly, and if you want extra durability, apply a thin coat of clear nail polish or matte varnish. This helps stickers survive battles. If a bubble appears, gently puncture it with a fine pin and smooth the air toward the cut, then press flat. Finally, reassemble the Beyblade and test spin. If a sticker peels, repeat cleaning and reseal the edge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.